Hey guys, imagine running your entire Shopify store without ever opening a laptop. From product pages to real-time sales tracking, with the Shopify mobile app, that's not just possible, it's incredibly smooth. Let's dive into how this pocket-sized powerhouse works. So, the moment you log in, you're greeted with your live store dashboard. It's addictive, so you will see today's sales, current visitors, top performing products, and recent activity all in one scroll just on this page after logging into your account on the app. So it's like a live pulse of your business in your palm. Now you can click on three-line icon in the bottom right, click on products, and you can easily add items with just one click by clicking on add your products. If you want to launch an item fast, snap photos, write up a quick description on this page, click on add images, add a media for your product, add product title, select category, price your product, select the sales channel, add variants, add inventory, choose shipping type vendor, click on tick icon at the top right, and you would have added your first product. And you can also manage your product just from this tab. You can click on products option at the top and you will see more options. Now, when an order rolls in, the app gives you a real-time notification. No delays. So head over to the order section by clicking on this button, that is this mid icon. Here you can review details, buy a shipping label, and mark it fulfilled. If you're using Shopify shipping, it all connects seamlessly with just a few taps. Now, step 4 is customer management. So you can click on three-line icon at the bottom right, click on customers, and this will take you to this page. So in the customers tab, you can access buyer profiles, order history, message history for support for follow-up, and if you want to thank a VIP, you can tag, email, or even issue custom discounts. So keeping relationships strong has never been this easy on mobile. If you need to check sales while you're out, the analytics section gives you real-time insights like total revenue, top traffic sources, and average order value. So click on three-line icon at the bottom right, click on analytics, and you'll be taken to the analytics page. So it's like having a performance report in your back pocket. No spreadsheets required. Now, if you want to launch a discount, schedule a flash sale, or run on an email campaign straight from your phone, Shopify's app integrates your marketing tools right inside. Click on three-line icon in the bottom right, click on marketing. So, through marketing, you can act on ideas instantly. It's built for creators who move fast and think even faster. Now, customize notifications so you're always informed whether it's sale, low stock alert, or delivery issue. You can also update shipping rates, change payment settings, and even tweak your theme, all while sipping coffee or traveling light. So you will have access to all the powerful tools by clicking on three-line icon, and you will get the exact toolbar that you get on Shopify's dashboard on PC. You can also click on online store and navigate your online store, click on customize, and easily edit your theme anyhow you want through your Shopify's app store. You can also change your theme just on this page. You can also have the option for pages, preferences, point of sales, and if you want to add more applications to your Shopify store, click on plus app icon, and this will take you to Shopify's app store where you can easily install new apps. So the Shopify mobile app turns your smartphone into a full-featured business command center. Whether you're managing 10 orders or 10,000, you will stay in control, responsive, and ready to scale. No laptop needed. Your business, your terms, and your phone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.